My name is Matschull. LibreOffice Writer offers a variety of ways to apply styles. One method is to use the formatting toolbar. If you don't see the formatting toolbar, go to View in the menu bar. Go down to Toolbars. When the submenu appears, go down to Formatting and click on it. The formatting toolbar should appear near the top of your screen. On the left of the formatting toolbar is the Set Paragraph Style drop-down list, where you can choose from a number of paragraph styles. Be aware, however, that most of the formatting toolbar has options for direct or manual formatting. For efficient writing, it is always best to use styles. There is also a toolbar better designed for applying styles. Go to View, Toolbars, and click on Formatting Styles. Notice the difference in the two toolbars. You can hover your mouse over the various icons in the Formatting Styles toolbar to see what style is applied by each icon. At the left of the Formatting Styles toolbar, before the Set Paragraph Style drop-down list, is an icon you can use to open the Styles sidebar, which I will discuss in more detail later. You can customize the toolbar by right-clicking in the toolbar and selecting Customize Toolbar. A dialog will open. You can add commands from the list on the left by highlighting the command and clicking on the right pointing arrow. The command will be added to the list on the right. You can also highlight a command on the right and click the left pointing arrow. This will remove the command from the toolbar. I also want to point out that the list on the right offers checkboxes. If the checkbox is checked, the command will be shown in the toolbar. If it is not, it will not be displayed. Still another way to apply styles is to go to Styles in the menu bar. This drop-down menu offers much the same choices as the Formatting Styles toolbar. Notice the shortcut keys listed beside some of the entries in the Styles menu. This is still another way to apply styles. When you use shortcut keys, your hands don't need to leave the keyboard. You can add your own shortcuts to other styles. Go to Tools in the menu bar, select Customize. The Customize dialog will appear. Click on the Keyboard tab. In the Category area, scroll down and click on the plus sign beside Styles. Select from one of the styles categories offered, for example, Paragraph. In the Function area, scroll down to the style you want to add shortcut keys to, for example, Title. In the Shortcut Keys area at the top of the Keyboard tab, scroll down to a key or key combination you want to use, for example, Alt plus T. Click Modify and the keys you selected will appear in the Keys area at the bottom. Click OK and try out your new shortcut. I will select My Title and click Alt plus T. See how the title style has been applied. If you are a fast typist and find that reaching for the mouse slows you down, you might consider assigning shortcut keys to styles you often use. There is one more thing I want to point out in the Styles menu. If you click on Manage Styles at the bottom of the Styles menu, the sidebar will open and the Styles deck will be displayed. There is yet another way to apply styles. When the cursor is within a paragraph, you can click the right mouse button and a context menu will appear. If you highlight Paragraph, a submenu will appear. If you choose either Paragraph or Edit Style, a dialog will appear where you can edit the paragraph style. Perhaps the most comprehensive way to work with styles is to use the Styles deck of the sidebar. This is shown when the Styles icon along the right side of the sidebar is highlighted. In my videos, I will primarily use the Styles deck of the sidebar because of the versatility and comprehensiveness it offers. Be aware that not all styles listed in the Styles deck of the sidebar are designed to be applied directly. The most common styles applied directly are paragraph styles, the first icon along the top, and character styles, the second icon along the top. To apply a different paragraph style, be sure the cursor is within a paragraph. The paragraph style in use is highlighted. To change the formatting of the paragraph, simply double-click on a different paragraph style. To apply a character style, a character or word or phrase must be selected. The current character style will be highlighted. In this case, there is no character style in use. If I want to emphasize a word or phrase, I simply double-click on emphasis, or I might double-click on strong emphasis. Don't be intimidated by the number of styles listed. I will explain how to limit the number of styles listed in another video. For now, I just wanted to show you the versatility LibreOffice Writer provides for working with styles. It's good to know your options so you can select the method you find most efficient. If you learned something useful from this video, please give it a like. Then check out the other videos on my Writing Efficiently channel. A link is provided in the description below this video.